Hello everyone, this video is about addition of polynomials. These are the following you must remember before adding polynomials. Remember, to add polynomial, get the sum of the numerical coefficient of the terms which are similar observing the law of signs and write the common literal coefficient. In order for terms to be like terms or similar terms, first, the terms must have the similar variable. They should have the same exponent for corresponding variables. And also, to add monomial, arrange the similar terms in same column, then simplify. And these are the examples of like terms or similar terms. 2x and negative 5x. They have similar variable which is x, and as you can see, both variable has the same exponent which is 1. Remember, if a variable has no exponent, its exponent is 1. Next is 2x cubed y squared and 20x cubed y squared. So again, for us to determine if the given is similar terms, they must have the same variables, and that variable must also has the same exponent. So in this given, they have both x cubed y squared. Next is negative ab squared and 7ab squared. So as you can see, they have the same variable, and that variable has the same exponent. Another one is a squared b cubed and 5a squared b cubed. Last example is 4ax cubed and 3ax cubed. So again, masasabi natin na ang isang given ay similar term or like terms kapag sila ay may parehang variable or letter at saka yung variable na yon ay dapat pareha ang kanilang exponent. Okay? Now, these are the examples of unlike terms or dissimilar terms. So for example is 7ab and 2a squared b. In this given, even though they have the same variable which is a and b, the exponent of a is 1. And the other one is 2. So they are not similar. So therefore, that example is not a similar term. Next is 15x cubed and 16x squared. Again, their exponents are different. So they are unlike term or dissimilar term. And same with negative 15x squared and negative 15x cubed. They also have different exponent. Also, 13xy and 2xy squared. So again, they are dissimilar term because as you can see, the exponent of y are different. And lastly, 2a and negative 2b. This is also the example of unlike term because they have different variables. Now, since you already know how to identify if the given is similar or dissimilar term, let's proceed in addition of monomials. Example number 1, 2x plus 3x. So to get the sum of this given, just add the numerical coefficient. So ano ba yung numerical coefficient dito? That is 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then copy the literal coefficient. So the answer is 5x. Okay? Next example is 2y squared plus 10y squared. So again, add the numerical coefficient. 2 plus 10 is equal to 12. Then copy the literal coefficient. Simple as that. Another example is negative 3x squared plus x squared. Remember that if there is no numerical coefficient, meron niyang 1 as a constant or numerical coefficient. So as you can see, in the first given, which is the negative 3x squared, the sign of the numerical coefficient is negative. And the other one, which is the x squared, is positive. So apply the law of sign. If they are unlike sign, we are going to subtract. So negative 3 plus 1 is equal to negative 2. Then copy the literal coefficient, which is x squared. That's why the answer is negative 2x squared. Always remember, follow the sign of the number that has a greater absolute value. That's why negative yung final answer natin. Next example, number 4. 4x squared y squared plus negative 14x squared y squared. Again, they are unlike signs, so we are going to subtract. So the answer is negative 10x squared y squared. Another one, negative 4ab plus 2ab. So, it will become negative 2ab because negative 4 plus 2 is equal to negative 2. Then copy ab. Next is negative 2b squared plus negative b squared. Again, remember that there is 1 in here. So, negative 2 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 3. Then, copy b squared. So, the answer is negative 3b squared. How about if we have a plus 5a? So, again, merong 1 dito ha. So, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Then, copy a. So, the final answer is 6a. Next is 6a squared b plus 3a squared b. So again, add the numerical coefficient, which is 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Then copy the literal coefficient. So that is a squared b. So the final answer is 9a squared b. Next is x squared y squared plus x squared y squared. So again, we all know that there is 1 in both given. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then copy the literal coefficient, which is x squared y squared. So the final answer is 2x squared y squared. Now, how about this one? Negative 4a plus 2b. As you can see, they have different variables. So therefore, we cannot add them. So the answer is the same. So the final answer will be negative 4ab plus 2b because we cannot combine the given monomials. How about if we are going to add more than 2 monomials? So for example, we have 2x squared plus negative 5x squared plus 6x squared. So first, add the monomial that has the same sign. So add muna natin yung 2x squared and 6x squared. So it will become 8x squared. Then add negative 5x squared. So since they are unlike sign, we are going to subtract. So the answer is 3x squared. So always remember that you copy the sign of the number that has a greater absolute value. Another example is 3x plus 4y plus 2x plus negative 2y. So again, in this given, you are going to combine similar term. So combine 3x and 12x. So the answer is 15x. And combine 4y and negative 2y. So we have 2y. We subtract them because they are unlike sign, ha? Now we have 15x plus 2y. And this will be our final answer because we cannot combine them anymore since they have different variable. Now, what if we are going to add a polynomial that has more than one term? Example is 18m minus 11y and negative 24m minus 7y. So in this given, we are going to arrange first the similar term in the same column. So ito muna, i-arrange muna natin siya in same column. Then after that, we are going to simplify. So write 18m minus 11y plus negative 4 minus 7y. As you can see, we arrange the similar term in the same column. So now let's add 18 plus negative 24 is equal to negative 6. Then bring down m. Next column, 11y and 7y. They have similar sign and similar variables. So add. So it will become negative 18y. So our final answer is negative 6m minus 18y. Another example. 3x plus 3y minus 6xy and 5x plus 2y plus 3xy. Again, arrange the similar term in the same column. So it will become like this. Now simplify. 3x plus 5x is equal to 8x. Then 3y plus 2y is equal to 5y. And negative 6xy plus 3xy is equal to negative 3xy. So the final answer is 8x plus 5y minus 3xy. Next example. 3x plus 5y minus 7z and negative 6x minus 8y plus 10z. So again, align muna natin sila. So it will become like this. Now let's simplify. 3x plus negative 6x is equal to negative 3x. 5y plus negative 8y is equal to negative 3y. Negative 7z plus 10z is equal to 3z. So therefore, our final answer is negative 3x minus 3y plus 3z. Now, look at this given. 7xy squared plus 2x squared minus 11y plus 4x squared plus 2y plus 9xy squared minus x squared plus 7. As you can see, we are adding polynomial that has different number of terms. But don't worry, we can still doing the same process. Just arrange first the given similar term in the same column. So first, write 7xy squared plus 2x squared minus 11y. Then align 4x squared plus 2y. So yeah, ayos mo siya according doon kung saan siya may kapareha talaga. Next is yung 9x squared minus x squared plus 7. As you observe, we didn't put 7 in the column of 11y and 2y because 7 has no variable. So they are not similar. Now, we already arranged them. So let's simplify. So, sa first term muna tayo. 7 plus 9, the answer is 16. Then bring down the literal coefficient which is xy squared. Then next term, 2 plus 4 plus 1 or plus negative 1 is equal to 5. And then bring down x squared. Next term is negative 11 plus 2 is equal to negative 9. And then bring down 9. And also, in the last term, just bring down 7 kasi wala naman tayong pwedeng i-add dyan. Now, I hope you have learned something today. So, it's your turn. Find the sum of the given algebraic expression. So, if you are my student, please answer it in your notebook. If not, try to answer it and write it in the comment section. Next lesson, subtraction of polynomials. Thank you for watching. Happy learning, everyone.